Guys, my box finally came. Look, this I ordered like literally a month ago. It's been a long time in making, but it took Amazon long enough, and now I finally have it. So you want to know what's inside? Let me show you. Let's just cut these bits open. And then, you know what? We'll just rip it for good measure. Okay, you ready? Look, it's me, right there. So you may have known that over the past 2 years, I've been sort of writing a book where when I went on my LDS mission, every week we wrote emails back home to just tell people about what was going on in our lives. So I collected all those emails and decided to compile them together into this book that I then printed on Amazon. So now I am the sole owner of my new book, Angell Out in the Field, written by Jonah Angell, and this is volume 1, in case I decide to make another one someday. Ooh, never been opened. So, yeah, to go through, there's just a lot of pictures that I added of different things that happened to me during my mission. So, yeah, I just wanted to unbox it for you guys. This is what happened. I will never forget those 2 years of my life ever again. Then has an about the author on the back. It's pretty fun. So if you want to order one of your own, they're like $45 on Amazon, available in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle. Please don't buy the Kindle version. If you want an ebook of it, email me. I have the PDF of the book, but it is available in 3 versions. So yeah, this is my book. I'm now a published author. It's lighter than I expected it to be. And yeah, it's, how long? Was printed on October 29th. It's 321 pages long. So yeah, it's pretty long. Well, hope you enjoyed this little fun unboxing video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.